So now we have an equation that can be implemented on the computer. We'll start by simulating the following situation. A wire is briefly heated by a candle so that some part of the wire is at the temperature of the flame and the rest of the wire is at room temperature. At time 0 we blow out the candle so that there's no more heating, and then we watch heat conduction in action. How does this energy spread to the left and to the right? The code comes with some predefined constants for your convenience. It provides two arrays, one with the old temperatures at the beginning of the step and one for the new temperatures at the end of the step. And you have to compute the new temperature from the old temperatures for the compartment number I. A note about the implementation, in case you're wondering about this line here. We are exchanging the roles of these two arrays, temperatures new, temperatures old, after every step. Once the new temperatures have been computed, they become the old temperatures for the next step, which means that one of these arrays can be reused for the new temperatures, if you will. This saves us from using tons of arrays. We're just using these two arrays with different roles.